GT-288E Single stepping motor computer lock stitch sewing machine. Break the original traditional craft and upgrade it completely. Integrated with advanced European industrial design concepts, unique vision, elegant and steady, user-friendly operation panel, intuitive and sensitive, easy to use. It is easy to use after finishing setting. GT-288E adjust stitch length by stepping motor, more accurate stitch size, reverse sewing by stepping motor, which is super silent, pattern bar tacking sewing design, stitches tabs to choose at will. Adjusting stitch length by stepping motor, cancel the traditional mechanical adjustment knob. The size of the stitch length can be adjusted by stepping motor. The operation can be completed with one key, which is simple and convenient. The stitch length can be accurate to be 0.1 mm, which is more accurate. No longer worry about different stitch length sizes in the sewing process and improve the sewing quality. Reverse sewing by stepping motor eliminates the traditional reverse spanner structure. Using electric reverse sewing function to make the tick sound of the electromagnetic, which appears with the traditional backstitch occurs. Disappear, reduce noise pollution, improve the working environment and work quality. In the sew process, just press a button. You can easily complete the reverse sewing. Make the most perfect stitch in the simplest case. GT-288E can also achieve the function of front and rear condensed sewing. In the case of not using the bar taking sewing, can also achieve the end of the stitch does not scatter, effectively reduce the phenomenon of nest accumulation. The design of the pattern stitches, the system stores 9 different stitch tabs, can be freely matched according to different clothing requirements. Add different stitches to achieve a multi-purpose effect. Provides a large number of personalized design options for sewing children's clothes, shirts, performance clothes, etc. Make the stitches in different parts perfectly present. GT-288E, a more of computer lock stitch sewing machine. Easy to sew thick fabrics over slope, sewing more easily. With one key restore function, if there is an operation error, can also be easily restored. Large air volume hand wheel make the machine cooling faster, sewing performance more stable. USB interface make work and leisure both available. Baoyu sewing machine create value with technology.